Panguva ino nyika yese yeZimbabwe iri kunyangadzwa navakomana veCitizen Coalition for Change vanoonekwa kunzi vanotevera sengizo Chabangu. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi these guys they attend maZANU-PF gatherings, vanoita zvese, they are loyal to the government pamwe neZANU-PF, but hapana kana zuva rimwe ravanouya vachivoisa out against the ruling party kana kuya vachiimplementawo zvinhuwo zvavo zvinoonekwa kunzi zviri kubva from bato ravo faction inoonekwa kunzi inosapota sengizo Chabangu. Musanamira mashoko ari kuda panguva inei. Ndokuti subscribe, like, put on the bell, tipira pana panopost mapictures amuri kuona awo anamia Jacob Mafume aiwa panguva inei. Nana Mamombo Blanjura achiti Zimbabweans don't understand politics. We see some on defensive mode, saying Mamombe was there for government program, but failing to explain what they are defending. Zimbabweans love to use words without understanding. Again, Zimbabweans will do better the day they admit that ZANU-PF is not stupid like what they think. Because she also don't understand ZANU-PF, Mamombe was tricked by Rodzi to attend the ZANU-PF program in order to set a certain narrative. Mamombe is a policymaker. Your government job is to debate policies brought to parliament by the ruling party. ZANU-PF as a ruling party creates policies, then table them to parliament for discussion, where Mamombe is supposed to be participating. What she did here was to do ZANU-PF job, involved in creation of policies before parliament. When that policy is tabled to parliament, where she is supposed to oppose, if there is something wrong, she won't, because she was part of the creating team. ZANU-PF did this intentionally, looking at newspaper headlines, looking at those who were shouting and shooting photos. Mamombe was a target to set a certain narrative. Domashko arikuda panguva ini ari kuataka wana Mamombe vachiva vachunzwa kunzi these guys they were captured by the ruling party ZANU-PF and havasina kana sei kana kuopposa any policy inga ichibrotewa into the parliament under the ruling party. Mbodzai mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pe this collapse iri kuonekwa iri kuitika with the opposition side. Muna comment section medu mbodzai mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, muchiri on the bell icon.